Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nicholas Reed YouTube channel. Today, part 3 on the diesel lawnmower. It's already knocking and I fed it about a quarter of a quart of oil and it's not giving up. So we're gonna go either till it explodes or till something really bad happens, which I don't know what will happen. Hopefully nothing super terrible. Let's start her up. She's running way better. Knocking and chirping though. It doesn't care. Oh, that was not a good one. I poured a little bit too much. Let's see, I should restart again. My hands are freezing. It's knocking and chirping. It's been knocking for 30 minutes. Oh. It doesn't die. She don't die. This thing pulled 300 pounds up a hill. I just broke the spark plug wire. We gotta plug that back in. Oops. That might be it for her. That is broken. Ooh, that is bad. I'll be back. All right, we got a temporary fix. It's blowing a lot of oil. Look at all that. Eat some more oil. Oh yeah, she's absolutely drinking that stuff up. Drink up, baby. She's knocking really bad. It's not dying. Let's choke her out. Listen to how low this thing will run. No matter what, this thing will not die. That was like straight oil. This was a full quart all the way to the top, and now we're at the marker. It was all the way to the top. I already gave it like a cap, and it just kept going. It is covered in oil. It was just sucking that stuff in, spitting it out. It didn't care. This is disgusting. Let's run on low choke, see if he'll start. It's like knocking really bad, starting to lock up. But I don't know what is up with this thing. Let me know what else I can feed to this thing, because it doesn't even care about oil or anything. Let's start her up. I also filled this gas tank all the way to the top, and if I remember, it consumes a lot of gas. We're already at half a tank. I filled it to the top. This is after this video of running. I filled it up before the video just to make sure it had enough fuel. And it's all bad gas that I filled it up with. It's also shooting O's. It's been shooting O's for maybe 30 minutes before this. Not this bad though. Let's see if she wants some more oil for breakfast. She might want some more oil. Hey baby, it's okay. It wants it. This thing's taking it. Dude, this thing's a solid runner. Let's see if you can hear the knock. As it speeds up, you can hear it a little more. It's really clicky, really knocky. It's not doing bad. Let's see if I can rev it up. What else could I feed it? Let's see what else I got. Power steering fluid. I don't think power steering fluid is very flammable. There it goes. It's in now. It's running on power steering fluid. Power steering fluid. It just ate less than 50 milliliters, or yeah, milliliters. It is very smoky. Let's smell it. It smells like power steering fluid. So I just dumped in every single thing, a lot of jack oil, and a whole ton of power steering fluid to see if it would die. Because I wanted it to explode so I could do a teardown video. It's still going. Like, I dumped so much jack oil and the bottle's leaking, and I finished off the bottle of power steering fluid. There's like none left. It's still going. So if you guys need a lawnmower, buy an old, I don't even remember what you call this thing. It's something though. It's 139cc something, dude. This is insane. I gotta get a good thumbnail photo. And that's what I'm calling it. Let's run it on a little bit more jack oil. It's still running. I don't want it to run away and die. Here's our power steering fluid of choice. It's knocking really bad. Holy crap, it just drank 100 milliliters there. That was 100 milliliters of power steering fluid. And that thing, I bet you $100, it'll still start up every single one of the times. PB Blaster, it's gone through. It's gone through motor oil. It's gone through power steering fluid. I don't know what else this thing could go through. Oh my God, like. Oh, it might not start. It's like locking up. I could try a splash of coolant. If I got any coolant. Let's see if it likes water. Put some soap. It didn't care. It does not care about anything, dude. Let's see what else we got in the collection of stuff. Do we think, let's try some of this. Ah, it's frozen, I think. Something's up. All right, let's go. There's some in there. I don't want to overfill it of jack hydraulic fluid, but it's definitely in there. What about some more power steering fluid? That is bad. That was a lot. She's definitely knocking. I think it is safe to say that it's gone through power steering fluid, oil, PV blaster, bad gas, and jack oil. It made it through hydraulic jack oil. Let me know what else we should throw at this thing. I think he'll tank fetched oil. There's no doubt about that. This little diesel lawnmower, I mean, yes, it needs a spark plug to start, but that's about it. It tanks almost everything else. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a nice day. And comment anything else that we should put in this thing.